there are 3 different steps for you to earn your commission on this very platform as an affiliate, right? So on this very platform, you get to find a product. When you find a product, you share the product to wherever you know that you can actually get traffic and sales, and also you earn your commission. All right, this is Shopee, one of the top e-commerce platform across the world. This particular platform compete with Amazon, compete with Alibaba, AliExpress, and all other platforms. Okay, but this particular platform right here offers you an affiliate marketing program, right, where you can actually go ahead partner with vendors to promote their product. Okay, so in this very video, I'm going to simply show you how Shopee affiliate program works and how you can actually get started with this very platform. So if this is what you like, I want you to hit the like button, subscribe to this very channel, and don't forget to join us on our Telegram and WhatsApp channel for more updates just like this one right here. Okay, so if you're ready, let's get into the video right away. So this is the main website right here, shopee.com. This platform right here offers you lots of products to buy, and also if you're a vendor, you can actually go ahead and sell. Okay, you can see lots of categories right here. We have the men apparel, we have mobile gadget, we have home entertainment, we have lots of products right here. Okay, and all of these products are selling for a specific price. Okay, and remember, these products right here are not being owned by one person. All right, we have a lot of vendors on this same marketplace. Okay, so how do you actually get started with the affiliate program? For you to get started with the affiliate program, you need to go to your browser and search for Shopee affiliate. Okay, then you're going to see Shopee affiliate. To select that, it is going to simply prompt you to this very section. So you have to simply go ahead and watch this particular video. I've already made a video about this before. You can see right here how to monetize Facebook with this platform and Amazon. Okay, so I've already made the first video, but this one right here is more detailed video on how to go about this. Okay, so if you come back to your Shopee, we have 3 steps. We have to find our products. Okay, we have to share our product. We're not going to be sharing the link just like that. We have to provide some content that will give people reasons to buy. Okay, and also we're going to simply get our commission back. Okay, so if you're registering your account right here as an affiliate, you need to select an individual. Okay, when you select that, then go ahead and connect your account, your Shopee account, your Instagram, your YouTube, your website, your TikTok, anyone. All right, Instagram, I can simply go ahead and click on this. So let's say I want to go with my Instagram, then I have to simply click on OK. So wherever you have audience, if you have audience on Facebook, on Instagram, you can go ahead and select that, or you add your own blog website, very much necessary. Okay, so I'm going to click on this continue or allow button. Okay, so it is authorizing it. So it has been connected. You can see my Instagram has been connected already. So for you to select your own country, you just click on this, then you're going to see +234, or maybe your country number code. Okay, 234. Okay, all right, so this is what we have, and we're going to simply add the number code right, 627. all right, so that's the code and it is valid. Okay, so you can add your referral code or you can leave it. It is optional. Then click on submit. Okay, so your registration is successful. This is basically how to register for Shopee affiliate. Okay, so once you are registered, it's automatically going to simply take you to the dashboard section. Okay, go ahead and pick some product you want to promote. Here we have congratulations message. Our Shopee account has been created. Our affiliate account rather has been created. You want to see Shopee offers, product offers, commission. So we have the Shopee offers right here. Okay, so you can see right here, these are products you can actually go ahead and promote, and you're going to see the commissions rate right here. These are the commission rates. Okay, where you can simply go ahead and click on get link, and you can actually promote this product. Okay, that's the first type of product you can actually promote, and you can select the commission or you go for the latest. Okay, and if you click on this product offer, these are products you can actually go ahead and promote. You can see their links right here. We have lots of categories to focus on, and if you click on that, you're going to see women apparel, mobile and gadgets. We have hobby, stationaries, home and living, and lots more. Okay, and if you click on this section right, you're going to see the link of the product, and whatever commission they're going to simply give you have been attached to this very link. Okay, we're going to be using Pinterest, Facebook, and our blog website to generate sales for this product. Okay, how do we do that? The next thing you need to do is simply go over to your browser and search for Pinterest. This is one of my Pinterest right here. You can see right here, this particular Pinterest account got over 290k impressions. We have this one right here, which is 93k engagement. We have the saves right here. Okay, so How do you get this done for yourself? For you to get all of these things in place and also get more traffic and engagement to your Pinterest pins, you need to utilize this particular Pinterest tool, which is going to simply give you all the latest trend on Pinterest. Okay, just go over to your browser and you search for trends.pinterest.com. okay, so if you are seeing this video right now, if you go to your Pinterest trend, you're going to see these are the trends right now. We have top trend in the United States for this particular month. Okay, this is for based on last 30 days engagement on the platform. We have people are searching for fell nails, people are searching for nails, pumpkin Kevin ideas, we have hairstyles and a lot more. If you come over to this very section, you're going to see we have fall outfits, we have outfit ideas and a lot more. Okay, even winter outfit, okay, is trending. But for you to see more metrics about this keyword, just scroll down a little bit. You're going to see discover trends in the United States. Okay, so on this video section, you're going to see this is the weekly change, monthly change, and yearly change. Okay, so you can see most of these trends are going up, going down, going up again, and some of them are going up just gradually. All you need to do is simply pick the one that matches with the type of audience you are growing already. Okay, we don't just want to publish a picture and get engagement for nothing. We just want to sell out our product. Okay, go back to Shopee. So because my blog doesn't talk about women and all of that, okay, so I'm going to simply go for gadgets, let's say mobile gadgets based on tech. Okay, so this is what is going to simply match for my own audience. Okay, so people would like to purchase this, and the best part is that these things right here are not really costly in USD. This is just $20, right? So this is $20. Let's search for Zanomi Remini watch. Let's search for it on Pinterest, or maybe on Pinterest trend. Okay, then paste it here. You can see watch party ideas, Apple Watch wallpaper, movie watch, Apple Watch watch. Okay, let's just search for watch. You can see watch is trending and going up. These are cool pins right here that are trending. What you're going to do right now is simply go ahead and come back to the product section. They even have videos, all right? So we are good with this. Okay, so they have a video right here, and we can download this video. Okay, you can see that here, these are the promotional materials that you can actually go ahead and go for. Okay, so the video has been downloaded, you can use it for our promotion as well. Okay, so if you click on this now, you can download this image from here. You can save it as an image. Okay, so there are other ones here. Let's select this. Okay, so the video is even enough. Okay, the only thing you can actually do is to simply go ahead and use CapCut or Canva to maybe add some differences right here, so that it won't be like you're just sharing the same images with other people. Okay, remember, you're not the only one promoting this product. Okay, so let's go back. Once you have this in place, you need to grab your link. Okay, your affiliate link, that's the main thing, which is this right here. This is the affiliate link. It is different from what you are seeing right here. This is the product link. If people purchase from this very page, you're not going to get any commission in return. But if they purchase from this link, which you get from here, which is this one right here, this one right here has some tracking that can actually detect that this is from your account or your affiliate account. Okay, so once you have this in place, you are good to go. And the next thing we're going to do right now is simply promote this product. Okay, so for us to promote this product, we need to copy this name. We need to copy the name of this. Okay, let's just say we need to copy from here to here. Okay, then search for it. So if you scroll down, you're going to see questions that people are asking about this product. Okay, we have the review. So the next you need to do right now is simply go back to your blog website. Remember, I showed you how to do this in a previous video. So if you've not watched this video and this particular video, go ahead and watch them. All right, so go back to your blog website from here. So if auto blogging has been integrated, this is going to simply be easier for you and faster. Okay, and come over to this section, select the post type. Okay, select neutral, then select medium. All right, then what is your content about? You have to add your content right here. Then copy everything the way it is, copy it, come back here, add it here. Okay, then click on generate content. All right, so it's going to simply generate the content, a full review of this particular product, okay, so that we can actually use this review to tell people this is the reason why you need to buy this is the reason why you need to buy this. Okay, we are done with that. You can see the review right here with this AI generated image. So we're going to simply remove this one, and we have our own image already, okay, which was given to us by the affiliate program. All right, so just click on this edit as draft. Okay, so this is what we have here. Let's remove this comprehensive. Let's add an honest, okay, honest review and buying guide for 2026. Okay, right now we're going to simply add our affiliate link. For you to add the affiliate link, go back to your account, then go back to your affiliate section right here. This is the link here, then copy this. It has been copied. Come back here, and we can easily go ahead and add it somewhere here. Okay, so you already know how to add affiliate links, so everybody knows it. So if you're watching this video for the first time, just go ahead and check out our affiliate marketing videos. Okay, you're gonna simply add it right here. So remember, this is our affiliate. You can add. Okay, so this is it right here. Save this as draft. Okay, for now you have to save it as draft. Once you save that, scroll up a bit, go to your blog, go back to your blog, search for classic editor, install it on your website. But if you have it already, you don't need to install it again. Okay, just click on this install and activate it. Click on edit. Now we have a new stuff right here. Then scroll down right here, then select the product review category. Then for the featured image, click on featured image and click on select file. Let's select this one first. Remember, this is a video, and we can use that one on Pinterest. Okay, image has been added. This is it right here. Then click on this. Make sure you remove this title here, remove it, then go back to Xiaomi 5. Okay, that is going to simply be our title of this image, featured image. And also, don't play with your alternate text. Okay, this is very much important for your blog content to rank on Google. Then set featured image, then allow it to load. You can see right here, this is it. And if you had all of these things, the next you need to do right now is simply go ahead and click on the publish button. Okay, good one. This is what we have here. You can see published by Pilot Vibes. This is the Xiaomi. This is a cool one, and this is the affiliate link. And the next you need to do right now is to embark on the promotion. We are going to promote this to get traffic to this blog. We are not getting traffic to this affiliate link because it is not advisable for you to just start sharing link just like that. You need a content that will educate people about that product, that will give people reasons to purchase that product. Okay, so that is very much easier to be done on your website blog, okay, which we've already done by writing this review. So this review right now is going to simply give people reasons to purchase this product. Okay, so what we have to do right now is simply copy this blog link. Just copy the link and head straight to your Pinterest. Okay, go back to your Pinterest from here, then click on this, select that video you got from the product image, from the product page. This is it here, then open it. You can see the video right here, and we have the post link. Okay, so this post link is what will direct people to the platform, okay, where they have to simply get more information about this product. Okay, so for the title, come back to your blog post, copy this title, then add it here. Then for the description, come back here, then copy this a bit. You're not copying all to avoid duplicate content. Then come back and paste it here. Okay, when you paste that, select your board from here. You can add a board, let's say business. Once you select that, you can add some keywords that are related to that. Okay, then these are just keyword tags. Just add watch. Okay, smartwatch, it's okay. You publish at later day. Click on this more option. Make sure you select all of these things. Then you can see alternate text is also here. Okay, so for the alternate text, come back here, go to your page, your blog, then select this. This is the keyword we are targeting, and you don't have to joke with it. Okay, add it here, hit on this publish button. Okay, then this will be published for you. And the best thing about this particular Pinterest right now is this: since this is trending, they will start promoting this particular content for you, and people will get to see these posts more. All right, this is the video right here, and this is going to simply help give you traffic to your blog website. This is going to simply give you traffic to this particular blog, and not because this particular blog is also monetized with Astra, Montag, and all of that, you can also get impressions to your ad network. Okay, and also sell out your affiliate product. Okay, so that's basically how this thing works. And also you can simply use Facebook to drive massive traffic from Shopee affiliate and get more commission. Okay, so I've already made a full detailed video on how to utilize Facebook with Shopee, all right, with this particular video right here. This is the video right here, and it's going to simply teach you Facebook affiliate marketing with Shopee and Amazon. Okay, so I've already made a video. This is the video. Just go ahead and watch this video right here, showing right here. Okay, and this is going to simply help you a lot, and you don't have to do this for one product and relax. You have to do it for many products. So this is basically how this thing works. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to this very channel, and turn on the bell notification icon to stay updated on what we do here. Okay, so I'm going to simply see you in the next video.